Want to remove your nickname on Instagram but don't know how? It's easy to do, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. Start by opening the Instagram app and going to your chats. Select the conversation where you want to remove the nickname. Tap on the person's username at the top of the screen. In the menu that appears, look for the Nicknames option and tap on it. You'll see the nickname you've added. Tap the small arrow next to the nickname. Clear it in the pop-up window. Tap Done to confirm the changes. Now, here's another quick way to do it. Go back to the chat and look for the notification showing the nickname you've set. Tap Update right next to it. Follow the same steps as before, delete the nickname and save your changes. Once removed, the nickname will disappear from the chat. Participants will also receive a notification letting them know it's been cleared. And that's it. These simple methods let you easily manage nicknames in your chats. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to follow for more tips and tricks.